the best student visas that lead to permanent residency. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're an international student dreaming of not just studying abroad but also settling permanently in your dream country, this video is for you. Many countries offer student visa pathways that eventually lead to permanent residency PR, but not all of them are straightforward. In this guide, we'll break down the top countries where your study visa can be a stepping stone to a new life, long-term job opportunities, and citizenship. We'll cover what makes a student visa PR friendly, the top countries offering these pathways, the exact steps you must take to go from student to permanent resident, common mistakes to avoid, tips for increasing your chances. Let's dive in. What makes a student visa pathway good for PR? Not all student visas are created equal. A good student visa that leads to PR usually includes post-study work rights (PSW). This allows you to work after graduation. Clear pathways to PR. Whether through skilled migration, employer sponsorship, or provincial nominations. Points-based systems, countries like Canada and Australia give points for education, language ability, and work experience gained locally. High-demand occupations, if your degree qualifies you for jobs on a high-demand list, your chances of getting PR increase. Family benefits. Some countries allow spouses and dependents to accompany students and even work. Now, let's go through the best countries and how they rank for students aiming for permanent residency. Canada, a student paradise with a clear PR path. Why Canada? Canada, one of the most immigrant-friendly countries in the world. It has a structured path from education to PR through its post-graduation work permit (PGWP) and the Express Entry and Provincial Nominee Programs (PNPS). Step-by-step pathway. Apply for a study permit at a designated learning institution (DLI). Graduate and apply for a PGWP, which allows you to work up to 3 years. Gain at least 1 year of skilled work experience in Canada. Apply through Canadian Experience Class (CEC) under Express Entry. Provincial Nominee Programs (PNPS) like OANP, SINP, or BCPNP. Tips: choose programs that are 2 years or longer to get the full 3-year PGWP. Consider studying in smaller provinces for better PNP options. Australia, study, work, and stay permanently. Why Australia? Australia's temporary graduate visa subclass 485. Lets international students work after graduation. And their General Skilled Migration GSM program offers multiple pathways to PR. Step-by-step pathway, study a CRICOS registered course for at least 2 academic years. Apply for a temporary graduate visa 485 valid for 2 to 4 years depending on your course. Gain work experience in a skilled occupation. Apply for PR via Skilled Independent Visa 189. Skilled Nominated Visa 190. Regional Visa 490. One leads to PR in 3 years. Tips: choose courses related to high-demand occupations. On the medium and long-term strategic skills, list them LTSSL. Regional study outside major cities increases PR chances. New Zealand, a quiet gem for PR seekers. Why New Zealand? New Zealand offers a clear path from student to permanent resident through work visas and skilled migration. Step-by-step pathway. Enroll in an NZQA-approved course. Apply for a post-study work visa up to 3 years. Secure a job in a skilled occupation. Apply for PR through the skilled migrant category. Tips: work experience in regional areas can boost your PR application. Stay updated on points thresholds, which may change often. Germany, study for free and stay for work. Why Germany? Public universities in Germany are almost free, and the country offers an 18-month job seeker visa after graduation. Step-by-step pathway. Get a student visa and study at a recognized German institution. After graduation, Apply for an 18-month residence permit to find a job. Get a work contract and switch to a work visa EU blue card if salary conditions are met. After 33 months of work or 21 months with B1 German, apply for permanent residency. Tips: learn the German language to B1 level or higher. Focus on engineering, IT, or healthcare fields. United Kingdom recent changes make PR easier. Why the UK? After Brexit, the UK launched a new graduate route, and its skilled worker visa offers a route to PR. Step-by-step pathway: study in the UK on a tier for student visa. After graduation, apply for the graduate route valid for 2 to 3 years. Get a job from a licensed sponsor with a minimum salary. Apply for a skilled worker visa. After 5 years, apply for indefinite leave to remain ILR. Tips: choose degrees that are in shortage occupation lists like nursing, engineering, and IT. Apply early for the skilled worker visa to avoid delays. United States a longer but possible road to PR. Why the USA? While not as straightforward, the US offers PR options through employer sponsorship and family-based immigration after studying. Step-by-step pathway: study on an F1 visa. Apply for optional practical training opt for up to 12 months or 36 months if in STEM. Get an H-1B visa through employer sponsorship. Employer files for a green card under EB2 or EB-3 category. Wait for green card approval and eventually apply for citizenship. Tips: STEM courses provide longer opt windows. Consider universities with strong industry ties. France: study, stay, and settle. Why France? France offers generous post-study work rights and clear paths to long-term residency. Step-by-step pathway: study in France with a student visa. After graduation, apply for a temporary resident permit for 1 year to find work. Secure a CDI contract and switch to a work permit. After 5 years of residence and work, apply for permanent residency. Tips: learn basic French for better employment. STEM and business degrees offer better employment prospects. Common mistakes to avoid: choosing the wrong course. Pick programs aligned with in-demand jobs. Studying in non-eligible institutions. Always choose accredited and government-recognized schools. Poor immigration planning. Always know your post-graduation options before applying. Missing work experience requirements. Track the work hours and job roles needed for PR. Tips to increase your PR chances: start early. Plan your education based on long-term immigration goals. Get local work experience. Employers prefer graduates with hands-on experience. Network effectively. Attend job fairs, internships, and career events. Stay legal. Avoid overstaying or violating visa conditions. Use migration consultants wisely, only if needed, and always check their credentials. Getting permanent residency through a student visa is not just a dream, it's a plan you can build with the right information and steps. Choose a country that aligns with your career goals, language skills, and financial resources. Be strategic with your course selection, work diligently, and stay updated with immigration changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with someone planning to study abroad. And let me know in the comments which country you're targeting and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.